Hi, it's Kiki from Best Buy Store 11 in Blaine, Minnesota, and this is The Lab. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about Microsoft 365 personal and family subscriptions. It's a 12-month digital subscription. You get access to all the Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint across all your devices. I have a grocery list that I keep on my computer. If I'm at the grocery store, I can pick it up on my phone. I just want to add baby kale to my grocery list. Got it. Good to go. With the family subscription, you can add up to 6 users. I'm already sharing with these 3. I could add 2 more to my subscription. You guys better be nice to me. 365 gives every user 1 terabyte of cloud storage on OneDrive. The Family Safety app is free. However, with the family subscription, you get additional unlocked features. This is my brother. I love checking up on him and knowing where he's been. Just like I thought. He's gonna be late. If you have any questions, come by and see me. Thanks for stopping by the lab.